986 over 29. The first step, as I told you before, here we have a compatible, or we want to divide using the compatible numbers. The first step, here you want to estimate 29. Okay, so let's estimate 29 to 30. And then I want to look now to the dividend. Look at the dividend, try to estimate it, find a number that is closest to 986 and can be divided by 30.
950.
950. No.
1000.
190.
1000.
190.
1000.
190.
Thank you. 990 can be divided into 30 and closest to 986. Now for this first step, is it clear?
Yes.
It's clear.
Yes. Yes.
It's clear.
Okay. Now then, let's divide now. Can I divide 9 into 30? Or another question. How many 30 into 9? In 9?
2.
I cannot. Now let's try. Try 99.
So we're gonna multiply 30 multiply 2 equals 90. 30 multiply 3.
Bravo.
Yeah, 30 multiply
Now
3.
I ask myself. Now let's write here the multiplication table of 30. 30 times 1, 30 times 2, 30 times 3. 90, 60, and 30 here. And 30 times 4, 120. Now 99 is between 90 and 120. So I will choose 90. 90 is a product of 30 times 3. So I will put number 3 up. Got it?
Yeah.
No, teacher.
I will, please focus with me. If you didn't understand, tell me.
Yes, teacher. What did we do? We found why we put 3.
Because here you wrote the multiplication table of 30. And you find that if you multiply 30 by 3, you get 90. And 30 by 4, you get 120. But my number here, it's 99. And 99 is between 90 and 120.
Okay.
Closest to 90. So I choose 3. So this is why I put number 3 here. Then 3 times 0. I will multiply now
0
with the first digit. Then
0.
I will multiply this 3 with the second digit. So 3 times 0.
0.
And 3 times 3.
9 is 9.
Bravo.
Teacher, from where is the 0?
Oh my God.
Times 0.
It equals to 33.
Let's stop. 3 times 0, 0. And 3 times 3, 9.
Teacher, put the camera down so we can see. Yes.
Then now, let's subtract. After we multiply in the long division, the first step, multiply. The second step, you have to subtract. 9 minus 0.
0.
9.
9.
9. 9.
And 9.
And 9 minus 9, 0. So it's
Yes.
9, the remainder.
So it's the remainder here is 9.
But you will put 0 down.
The second step, now look at me.
Put 0 down and then multiply by 3.
Here, Miss, stop talking. Please don't say anything. Just listen to me. Here we have no 0 now. Add 0 down.
Then add 3 up.
Got it now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now,
Yes,
Yeah,
I got it.
yeah, but
Why you didn't write
90, 9, 30.
teacher? If you write, you put 0 down. Why you didn't put another 0 up? Because you put
No, and let's see. In the long division, if you add 0 down, if you add the number from the dividend down, and after you add it, you cannot divide on the divisor, you will add 0. if you take a number from the dividend and put it down and then divide it by the divisor, and when you see that if you cannot divide it, you will add 0. But if you divide, you're gonna continue.
It's really easy,
So
but
it's 33.
Yeah, got it now?
yeah. But
Yes,
what
we
about
got
the
it.
above?
Yes, thank
This
you.
number here, Miss, please, that's it. If one girl talking, the others.
Teacher, you didn't share your screen.
No, she
Open the camera, not share the screen.
I'm explaining on the whiteboard. Now 90 on 30. How many 30 and 90?
3.
Back now, got back.
3. 3.
30
Yeah,
and 9.
3. Bravo. 3 times 0.
0.
And 3 times 3.
0. 9.
3 times 3, 9. 9.
Teacher, wait slowly. What did you do?
Miss, here now. After I add the 0 down.
Yes.
Okay, I want to divide now 90 into 30.
So we're gonna choose 3.
Then now, how many 30 in 90? 30 times 1, 30.
3.
30
3.
times 3,
Wait.
6. Grade 6.
Yes.
While I'm talking, please don't say anything.
Yeah.
Please just listen to me. If you have any question, just you have to say. Then now here, 90. 30 times 1, 30. 30 times 2, 60. 30 times 3, 90. So so if I want to divide 90 into 30, what the answer will be, or what the product will be? 3. So 3 times 3 is?
90.
Yes, that's it.
90.
Then after multiply, subtract. 0 minus 0.
0.
9 minus 9.
0.
Father is now reminded.
So the remainder is 0. So I will stop here now. So what's the quotient now if you divide 990 into 30?
33.
33.
That's it.
33.
Got
Teacher,
it?
now I understood the lesson.
Yeah, sorry?
Now I understood the lesson. It was
Me too. Now, me too, because it's like we are in the school.
Yeah. Now look at me here. So here now what do we have? The answer after we use the compatible numbers, the answer is 33. Now look at the first digit here. What is the first digit?
3.
3. I want you now to take this 3 and put it up in my original exercise question.
okay.
So I will say thank you now to this long division.
Yeah.
This division.
I
Why I use it now? Because as I asked her to help me, from which number should I start? She told me start with number 3. It's okay. I will start now with number 3.
And teacher, now we will make
have
what we
extra
made
time.
with
Can
the
we do that more?
estimation.
Sorry?
We will make what we made with the estimation.
Yes, exactly. Now, after we took number 3 from the estimation, we get back to my question.
Yes, but teacher, make the camera well because like I can't see nothing.
It's
Yeah,
okay
good
now?
like this.
Now, yeah, 3 times 9.
3 times 9.
Teacher, is that question 27?
Miss, I told you.
27.
Multiply 9 equals 27.
27. Bravo. Now focus with me.
Is the 4?
That.
Teacher, your screen lagged.
Just 1 minute. Now, 3 times 9.
27.
27.
27.
Answer? The answer is 27.
7.
What you have to do? First, you have to put the ones down and the tens,
And the
number 10
tens?
up.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Okay? Then I will multiply 3 times 2.
It's 6.
6 and plus 2 equal
And 8.
8.
8.
8.
Yes. Got it now? Is it clear?
Yeah.
No, teacher, what?
Yeah.
Yes.
Miss, no, I don't understand this. Why
Yeah,
did we add 8?
It was 6. How is it?
I will repeat now. I will multiply 3. Now, all of you, did you know from where I get number 3?
Yes.
From
Yeah,
the
it's
Yeah, from the old
Yes.
equation, from the
From the
before
old
equation.
graph. That's it. Now here, 3 times 9.
27.
27.
Now focus with me. I said 20. The first number, the ones, put it here
In the ones.
under the dividend. And this 2, put it up here.
Okay.
Okay.
So 7, I put it down. 2, I put it up. Then I will multiply. 3. Now first I multiply the ones. I get 27. Then 3 times 2. 3 times 2.
6.
6 plus 2.
8.
8.
Oh, okay.
8 down.
Okay, I understand.
Right now, what we
It's
have to do?
gonna be 7,
Yes,
11.
It will be 116.
Now 8 minus 7.
11.
1.
Minus 8.
1.
1 and the other is also 1.
And then 6.
11.
I'm
Put
gonna
the
put the
6
6
No,
down.
put
Put it down.
129.
down.
Now, so now I add remainder. My remainder is 11. Now, since my remainder is this 29, so my up to now my solution is correct.
Yeah.
Because the remainder
So
stand
they are
29.
teacher, if they are like
But we
each
didn't
other, so it's
finish.
wrong.
Sorry?
If they are like each other, so it's wrong. If they're not like each other, it's right.
Yeah, if the remainder equal to 29 or greater than 29, you made something wrong. You have to search for another
So
number.
teacher, we made something
Teacher,
wrong. We
but
have what to do.
Yeah, teacher,
Teacher,
what do we
now
have
you
to
need
do?
to put the 6 down.
Now, yes, yeah, I didn't finish. Now, what I have to do next? I have to take this 6. There's a 6 here.
Yeah,
And
of course.
I will put it down.
But teacher, it's older, it's bigger than 29 now.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, how are you going to solve it?
Now, I call it from the dividend. So, 116 now. I want to talk about a number that if I divide it, how can I divide by 29?
I have to divide what with 29?
116 over 29.
Yeah.
Now, 8 times 29 plus 87.
Yes.
This is number 4.
Then multiply 4.
Yeah, let's try number
4.
4.
4 and then it will be 116 exactly.
Number 4.
Yes.
4 times
But
9.
teacher, what do you mean?
Teacher, how 4?
4 times
Yeah,
9
how 4?
is 36.
Oh my God.
It's only 3
4
times.
multiplied 29 is 116.
Oh, okay. Multiply 29 is
Now,
100.
yeah,
Guys,
I thought it was on.
teacher, 4 times 9. 116. What is 29?
4 times 9.
36.
I will put
36.
down and the
36.
3 up. Then 4 times 2.
8.
20.
8.
8.
4 times 2, 8 plus 3.
Yes.
Plus 3, 11.
11.
11.
Then I will subtract.
0. 4.
So what if you divide now 986 by 29? What's the quotient?
34.
4.
Teacher, I think it was from a long time ago, but I forgot it. Like I forgot it so much.
Yes.
Teacher, from where did you bring?
Time.
Sorry?
It takes a lot of time.
From where did you bring the 4?
From where I bring 4?
From where did you bring the 4?
Oh my God, what's this voice?
What is that?
Look at this number, 116. Now,
Yes.
think about 116. If you divide 116 into 29, what the quotient will be?
16 into 29.
16.
4, of course.
Try number 4. Yes, that's it.
Ah, okay. Thank you.
No.
Teacher, but can I ask you something? When I calculate it and divide, it tells me 0, 0, 3, 4, 4, 4, 8, 2. Why does it tell me these long numbers and it's just one number?
On calculator?
Yeah. On the phone, look.
Because the calculator does not know that you want to divide it on the chair.
Like, why does it show this long number?
What did you see? What did you put? Just 1 minute?
Because you have to write
No.
the 106. Well, you have to write 116 the first.
Because it is long division.
By 29.
Look, why does it show like
Teacher, wait,
this?
I know why. Julie, erase and write the 116 first, then divide 4. It will work.
Okay, thank you.
Wait. Yeah. Yes. Got it now?
Yes.
Did you understand the lesson now?
Yes, we
This
did.
is
Miss, I
actually
have
the
a question.
idea of our lesson.
I have a question.
The idea of our lesson.
Teacher, I had a question in the homework, page number 9. Any questions?
What is this? That sound?
Teacher, there is
Who
something.
is making noise?
Doing sometimes we cannot hear you.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, it's very noisy. Wait.
You're gonna let me mute your own microphones. Okay? Yeah. Stop talking now. I just make it to share you, so you to share with me. Talk with me. Tell me if you didn't understand anything or not. But that's me now. I will close your microphones. Now, let's go to number 2 now here. In number 2, we have to divide 3,786. We're gonna now divide it by 37. Now, as I told you before, first, what do you have to do? You have to look here at 37 and try now to estimate it using the compatible numbers. Now, let's estimate 37. When you estimate it, we get it like 40. And then 3,786. Now, I want you now to suggest me a number in the compatible numbers that when you, just 1 second, let's enable your microphone. Yeah, now I open your microphones, okay, girls? Give me a number now that when you try is compatible it, that's estimated, estimate 3,786 into a number.
3,800.
Habiba, can you repeat?
3,500.
Here, mute your microphone. I want Habiba.
Yes, teacher. Can you answer why did you make like this? Why did you put 40 inside, not outside like 37?
Sorry? What did you say?
Why did you put the 40 inside, not like 37?
Because, as I told you, I need to use the compatible numbers in order to divide.
Thank you, teacher.
That's why. يلا حبيبي يلا continue. Now here.
Teacher, why do we need to estimate?
This is a way. Miss, I told you, when you want to divide, you have a lot of ways. One of them using the compatible numbers.
So can you make another one?
Yeah, but
when you do another one without estimating, so
yes,
we can understand.
Teacher, teacher,
Miss,
teacher, the division sign. Why did you put the 40 inside? It's supposed to be outside, not inside.
Ah, okay.
Teacher, can I answer?
Now here. 3,786. I want now to search about a number that can be divided by 40 and near to 3,786. Who can tell me?
ملك عمرو.
Judy.
4,000.
ملك عمرو.
Malak Amr. Yes, Malak.
3,500.
3,500.
No,
Yeah.
teacher, I have another one.
Teacher,
What about
3,700.
3,800.
700. 500.
800.
what about 4,000? Can it work?
But it's so far.
Teacher, by the way, teacher, I'm saying 4,300 and 300 and 3,700.
No, teacher, maybe 3,800. 3,800.
1,000. 4,000.
No, I think 3,800. 4,000 is so far.
No, it's not far.
The answer is no, teacher. It's 4,000 because it's closer because of the 700.
Yes. It will be clear. It will be easy. Yani 4,000, the meaning of compatible numbers, like you have to solve it in your mind. Easy to solve it in your mind. If I tell you now 3,800, can you divide in your mind by divide 3,800 into 40? Can you divide it by your mind?
No.
No. So this is the meaning of compatible numbers. Means think about a number that you can divide it in your mind. Easy to divide.
Teacher, 4,000.
Now here. So 4,000 divided by 40 is what?
Hello. Teacher, can you hear me? 100.
Yes.
100.
Yeah. So what here? Let's go step by step. Now 40 into 41. 1 times 40, 40.
40, yes.
Then add the 0 down. And since we add this 0 and we cannot divide 0 into 40, I must add 0 up. Then I will add another 0. 0 divide by 40. Can I? No. I will add another 0. So the idea from here that if you bring a number from the dividend and after you bring it, it cannot divide it by the divisor, you must add 0 in the quotient.
Okay.
Okay.
So what's the answer? Is this the answer?
No, just a minute. What is my first digit here?
1.
Miss Tika?
I will put this one up.
1 above 1. Oh, no. Yeah.
Now then, 1 times 7
equals to 7.
7. 1 times 3 3 3
Equals to 3.
Then let's subtract.
3.
7 minus 7 0
0, 0.
3
0.
Then what's
Then
that?
we
Then we put the
will put the
Then I will add number 8 down. Now all of you focus with me. What did I do? I add 8 from the dividend down. But look at this number 8. Can I divide 8 into 37? So because I took a number from the dividend, and this 8 cannot be divided into 37, I must add 0 up. You don't understand now?
Yes, teacher, I did.
Then after that, after I add 0, I will. So here you have to know something. Each number in the dividend has an authority. If you take it from the dividend and you put it down and you ask here, can you divide 8 or can you divide by 37? Even they say no, you have to put 0 instead.
Yeah, then put 6 down.
Then after that, I will call number 6. Now, 86 can be divided by 37?
Yes.
Let's try here now. Yalla. 1 times 37, 37. 2 times 37. 2 times 3, 6.
Yeah.
2 times 7, sorry, 14. 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7. Now, 3 times 37. 3 times 7.
3 times 7 is 1.
3 times 3, 9. 2
multiply 37, 2.
Yeah, so 86 now is between 74 and 111. So I will gonna use 2. So now I will write 2 here.
People don't, but I'm just afraid.
Now,
My summon.
2
It's
times 7. 2 times 7.
14.
4.
74.
7 on. 1 up.
1
2
up.
times 3.
6.
6 plus 1. 7. So now I will subtract
74. 2.
6.
2.
12.
So reminder 12.
Yeah, but I want to say something here.
106 minus 4. Then she said 8.
Miss, who are you girls? Don't write on the chat. Malak, round.
Teacher, she's just asking, so if you hear her, so I'm telling her no.
Don't write on the chat. It's okay. Don't write on the chat. Now then, let's subtract. 6 minus 4.
2.
2. 8 minus 7.
1. So
8
it's
minus
12.
7.
Now the remainder here is what? What's the remainder?
102 reminder 12.
It's 12. Okay?
Yes.
The remainder.
So 102 reminder 12.
Since the 12 is less than 37, so I will stop here. Now, I will write the answer. I will write the answer like this. 102 remainder 12. That means the quotient is 102 and the remainder is 12. Got it now?
Got it, teacher. Thank you.
Easy.
No.
But teacher, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
In the weekly plan, it's written that we have homework, but we didn't take the lesson that we're supposed to take today. So we don't do the homework.
I'm not, girls, look at me. You are grade 6. You have to know something. After we finish the lesson, we have you the homework. If it is written in the weekly plan, but you didn't still finish the lesson, there's no homework. Okay?
Yes, so
Teacher,
Okay.
I told the homework. This lesson.
Teacher, the homework's really hard.
I'm talking.
Teacher,
I expected that this lesson will take with us 2 classes only. But it talks with you 3. That's why.
teacher,
I
that means
told
that
the
today,
homework. Yes, teacher,
teacher,
I
it
told
means
the
that
homework.
today, teacher,
Yes.
it means
that today that we have a homework for a lesson that we didn't take. That means that we're not gonna make the homework for the lesson that we didn't take, and we have to make our homework for this lesson.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But teacher, I made it the homework of this lesson and I sent it in the Telegram. So,
Okay.
so
So
you
yeah, you have a homework.
Teacher, I have a question in the homework of this lesson.
So, Mr. Can you please let's continue? I want to continue, please.
But just
Yeah.
I want something that
Go example
open
number
the homework page.
Miss,
Miss,
example
can I
number
answer?
3 now. Here, in example 3, okay, they told me about another thing that you can write. Now, for the first example, as the number 2, we said that the answer, the remainder is 100, of the quotient, sorry, is 102, and the remainder is 12. Okay? Did you remember that? When you divide 3,786, when you divide it by 37, we say that the answer was 102 and blah, 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 blah. The remainder was 12. Okay?
Yes.
Now, one of the way to write the remainder, you have to write 102 with the remainder 12.
Okay.
Now, there's another way. The other way will be that you have to write 102, okay? Then write 12, the remainder here, 12, over the divisor, which is 37. This is another way. You have, what is the way, what is the formula here? Quotient, and up write the remainder, and down write the divisor. So we have two ways now. One of them, write 102 R12 means 102 remainder 12, and the second one you have to write it as 102 and the remainder over the divisor. Look, come back here now. Where's my answer? Where's my quotient? It's 102. Now, where's my remainder? It's 12. I wrote it here. Up as a fraction. So the second way, you can write the remainder now as a fraction. So the remainder up, which is 12, and the divisor, which is the number that I divide on it, 37, I wrote it down in the denominator. On the numerator, the remainder. On the denominator, the divisor. Got it now?
Yes.
This is the idea here of the example number 2. Just you have this another way to know it. How? What do I mean by write and remainder as a fraction?
Miss, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Yesterday in the homework, you have one in the Coursera and one in the schedule. Which one should we do? Because I did the one in Coursera.
The one in the Coursera, it's okay. You have to solve it, the online assignment. And then now you have a practice. Which one? Sorry, just which is page 9. Practice and homework. This will be a homework. You have to attach it on the Coursera.
What do you mean? Like this one, we should send it to you on Telegram or Coursera, the page 9?
No, don't send me anything on Telegram. I will post an online assignment for page, I already, for page 9 and 10. Okay? Solve them today and attach it on the online assignment.
Okay.
Okay.
Teacher, in the weekly plan, it's written page 10. We will make 10 and 11, but we don't have 10 and 11 in page 10. Make only page 9 and 10.
Teacher, can I also ask you a question?
Let's make
9 and 10, 9 and 10, sorry, yeah. Now, yalla. Now, all of you, please, go to number 3, yes. I want to solve number 3 now. Okay, because now
Teacher, don't solve it by estimation because we want to know another ways. So maybe
No, estimation is easy.
easier.
this an estimation is must be. It's help you to start. Now, please, miss.
But teacher, I solve it without estimation. It's easier without estimation.
In the quiz, if I ask you by estimation, you have to know how well. Okay?
Okay, we understand how to do it by estimation. Do it another way.
Yes, I have 5 minutes left. I want to continue. Number 3, because tomorrow I'm gonna start a new lesson.
Okay.
Now focus with me. I will start now number 3. In number 3 here we have 6,114 divided by
what you writing. Okay.
divide by 63. Okay.
Yes.
Now here, before I finish. Now after you now inshallah today you understand what I said. Okay. Please now I want you to rewatch the videos and try to solve the another examples with yourself.
Okay.
See that if you understand well or yeah. Now back here. Let's now try to estimate 63. Who can help me?
Me, Judy.
Yes, Julie.
Can
63.
you tell me what's the page?
I also want to help.
Yalla,
Sir, can you hear me? Can
Yes,
someone hear me?
please, we don't have
Yes,
minutes.
we can.
Yes, Julie.
Yes,
Write
teacher.
compatible numbers that's nearest to 63.
Compatible number near to 63. Maybe
Six.
it's 60. 60.
Yeah.
7.
Now, now 6,114. Try to estimate it in order that's easily to me to divide it by 60.
Okay. 6,100.
1,000.
Keep 6,000.
3,000 on.
Easy in your mind to divide. So then now 60 over 60.
1.
1.
1 times 60, 60. Then let's continue here. Let's subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Then I will add the 0 down. Now then, since I added the 0 here, okay, I wrote it now in black color in order to understand. Now, since I add the 0 down and this added 0, when I took it from the dividend and it cannot be divided on the divisor, I should add 0 up. Then 0. Then I will get now the second 0. And since I add a 0 from the quotient and it cannot be divided, I must add another 0 up. Got it now?
Yes.
So then, what is my first number here? My first digit, sorry. It's 1. I will write 1. I will call number 1 and I write it up in my original question here. Then now,
Teacher, it's
One.
gonna be 63, but 63 is bigger than 61.
so okay. Okay, so what I have to do then? I have now 60, is it 614? Yeah, divide by 63. Okay. So now 1 is not working, as you say, because 1 times 63, it is less of 63, it's greater than 61, so it cannot work.
So 0.
You know, I have now to go to use this one here. I want now to divide 611 by 63. Now, 611 by 63. Let's try number 9. 9 times 3.
27. 27.
7.
27.
9 times 6.
It's 54.
54.
54.
Plus 2.
56.
Then we're gonna subtract.
567.
And now, here we have an 11.
The one gonna be 11.
11 minus 7.
And this will be 0.
4. Here,
Or yes.
10. And
We
here.
take 1 from 6 and 6 will become 5.
So
So the remainder here is 44. So
44.
what's my next step? I will fold.
Put 4 down.
44.
Yeah,
Mine.
right. Now 444 divided by 63. Yalla, quick. Now since there's no time, I will try number 7, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, try number 7.
21.
21.
21.
1. 7 times 6
56.
7 times 6, 42.
No, no.
plus 2.
49.
42, 44.
44. Bravo. Let's subtract it now. 3, 0, 0. Now,
Teacher, can we solve the homework?
97 reminder.
now just a minute. Now, in this
Teacher,
question,
can we solve the homework?
now today
We
yes,
have
you
no
have to
time.
solve it. Now, you have to find the quotient, write the remainder as a fraction.
Yeah.
What do I mean? Focus with me now. You have to say 97, the quotient, and then where's my remainder? Here, it's a 3. Did you see it?
Teacher, the period finish.
And the divisor down. Okay?
Okay.
Then after that, you need to simplify. How do you simplify? Divide by 3 up, by 3 down. It will be 1. Divide 3 by 3 is 1. 63 divided by 3. We divide it here. It's going to be 21. So it will be 97 and 1 over 21.
Teacher, why you make it fraction?
Teacher, can you go up?
Teacher, excuse me, can you go up?
The question, yeah, if you want, you can leave the meeting. The question, guys,
Can you go up?
yeah, go up. Okay. Now, why I wrote as a fraction? Because the question asked me to write it as a fraction.
Shall I finish? I can leave for the second period.
I'll leave, yeah.
Teacher, I have just a question.
Yes.
Teacher, stop it,
Goodbye,
please.
miss.
I
Have a
want to
good
ask
day.
my question.
Yes,
Teacher,
yes.
teacher,